Welcome to my channel. This is your friend, your dost, tumsa mitra Ajinkya, and back to my channel Ajinkya. So this blog is about not going anywhere, but about my Himalayan, which I bought during the lockdown, and I haven't gone for any rides up till now due to the current situation of COVID. So planning, let's see. So this is my Himalayan Bs6 bought during the lockdown, and we are here to review after riding for around 2000 plus kilometers. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe for such new videos for rides. I have a classic 350 and I am using that for the last 3 years. This I bought during a lockdown. So let's start the in and out of BS6 version 2020. First we look at the stallion part. So it's like a stallion standing tall. The looks they have same in from the earlier versions of BS3 and BS4. Only the internal specifications are changed. I won't go deep into that. It's a 199 kilo baby, which doesn't look once you are on the beast. In the front we have a 21-inch spoke wheels with 300 mm disc with ABS. Also in front we have the flying mudguard. As it's off-roading bike, it's needed when you are on the terrain, that high terrains. Headlight, we get a basic headlight, but I have modified it. This is a Medoc 7-inch round LED, which are much powerful and visibility is great during the night. अभी बात करते हैं गाड़ी का ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस का, which is 220 mm and the wheelbase is 1465 mm. Seat height goes to 800 mm. I've changed the seats, so I've added a gel seat for a better ride comfort during off-roading and normal ridings also. This tank is around 15 liters. So if I start from here, so for an example, if I start from Panvel, I can easily go up till Ratnagiri or beyond that. So that's around 300 to 400 kilometers on one tank full. So that's pretty good. You require such things. For an example, if you are going for Ladakh, where you have very limited access for petrol pumps, this is what is required. Seating position, it's pretty straight enough. Bullseye, I would say. So when we look the bike, you would feel that it's very tall. I can't ride, you would say, but no, that's not the cause. That's not the case. I am 5'8" and I am able to touch the feet comfortably on the roads. Leg rest, it's straight enough. And they have the rubber panels over here, which can be removed while off-roading so that you get a better grip with your boots. So we'll look after the rear part. On the rear we have the LED tail lights. Over here we have a sari guard, which is required as per Indian norms. The seating position is bit inclined, which makes it cushioning or a bump on the bumpy roads. For the braking, you get again a disc brake 240 mm with tube tires. That's the only drawback, I would say. I wouldn't say drawback, but while you are on off-roading, if the tire gets punctured, that's a big hassle. But otherwise, spoke, it absorbs much of the tensions and the pressure. So I would say that's okay. You get a very nice exhaust, a bit coppery color. The clutch and the gears are placed, or I would say are kept on a medium side. Mirrors are pretty great, not too shaky on high RPMs. Let's hear the exhaust. Start the engine. So that's how you sit. So the sitting position is completely upright, straight on the road. So the another accessories which I have added are the engine guards. So this engine guards are from A4 Moto Design. That's in Thane. So that looks pretty well on this rock red combination of Himalayan. They have a black color also, so you can, if you're going for another color, you can go with that option also. So to sum up, it's a pretty good Royal Enfield bike. So as I said earlier, the difference between the 2021, which is the newly launched, and the 2020, which I have bought, you can't differentiate much differences. It's only 3. The difference is about the color. Okay, so they have 3 new shades: pink, pine green, Mirage Silver, and Granite black. Okay, so the Mirage Silver color is also comes with a tan brown seat. Next, you have a trip navigation system over here, which is linked with Google. So this is the highlight of 2021 Himalayan. Its instrument cluster now gets an extra pod of tripper navigation system. So the tripper navigation, you can enable it with your smartphone and turn by turn navigate it. The next change is about the tank braces. So the tank braces, so currently the tank brace is over here. So the new ones are over here. It comes over here and it's pulled a bit down. Why? This is for the European riders. So for India market, we have a moderate height of around 5'9", 5'10", 5'11", but for the international market, so the Europeans are around 6'6" plus 6'1", 6'2", so their knee comes down over here, that touches over here. So that's reason they have pulled it over here a bit till here. So that's the difference. And about the pricing, I would say the pricing, this comes to 2.4 on-road price. This is a New Bombay or a Navi Mumbai edition. So a difference of around for a Mumbai ex-Mumbai on-road, it goes to around 250. So not a much difference. So what else you want during this competitive time within 2.5 lakhs? That's a good bike. And the best lines, I would say, for 2.5 lakhs, where bike is not a necessity, it's about the passion for riding. So it's a steady rock solid bike, can be taken anywhere. So what are you waiting? Go and grab yours. At the end, I would only say about the competitors, this is awesome bike, not only for touring, but if you feel it feels that I need something like a stallion for my ride, this is a perfect vehicle you require. Pretty good. So I have heard many people saying that if it's a long or a heighted bike, it's very hard to turn around in corners. But I don't feel that after riding it for a couple of months now. Pretty good, nice to take into corners. Of course, best to go on such off-roadings because of the wheelbase, good ones. And I would say best bike, this is how you saddle on. I would say there is no other bike on this segment who has such a great ground clearance. Yeah, I would say you would think about X-Pulse, but X-Pulse comes in a very different category, I would say. Yeah, it's an adventure bike, but not that much of power, I would say, what Himalayan gives you. So when you're riding in Mumbai, it's not definite that the road is better. It will be bumpy road, so you would require something like an Himalayan only to take away the potholes on the roads. So great one. Braking, good one, I would say. If you use both the brakes, the rear and the front, great enough. The bike has to stop on a higher speed. The only issue which I am facing right now, I don't know about other Himalayan riders, that there is one thing where when you go on lower RPMs, it shouldn't matter on which gear you are, but the bike ignition gets stopped. I need to check this with the Royal Enfield people, but I thought of if anyone is aware about that, you can comment me on this video, and that will be great enough for me. But definitely I will be checking with the service center of Royal Enfield. Otherwise, rest, it's a perfect bike for touring. Can carry ample of your luggage for a trip for a week or so. So great bike. So hope you like this vlog. That's about it about my Himalayan. So you can go and grab yours. Hope you like my vlog. Do like, share and subscribe for such videos, and stay tuned regular on my channel Ajinkya Nayak. Till the meantime, bye bye, take care, see you.